I'd like to book a room, please.
May I have your name, please?
Sherby Azarcon.
Thank you, Miss Cherry. For what dates would you like to make the reservation?
I need a room from December 15 to December 25.
Got it, ma'am. How many guests will be staying? What type of room would you prefer? We have a standard, deluxe room, and suite available.
It's just me and I'll take a deluxe room.
Perfect. Let me check the availability for the deluxe room from December 15th to December 20th. One moment, please. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. We have a deluxe room available for the dates. The total cost of your stay is 8,000, including taxes. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, please.
Great. May I have your contact number and email address to confirm your reservation?
My phone number is 0923781648 and my email is cherbyazarcon@gmail.com.
Thank you, ma'am. May I also take your credit card to secure your booking?
Sure, this is my card number, sir 912345678.
Thank you, Miss Cherry. Your reservation is confirmed for a deluxe room from 15 to 18. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else that can I assist you?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Miss Cherry. We look forward for your stay in the PC Hotel. Have a nice day.
Good day, ma'am. Welcome to PCI Hotel. May I assist you? This way, please, ma'am. The branch office, please.
Good day, ma'am. Welcome to PC Hotel. Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I walk under the name of Rachel Martinez.
May I have your valid ID, please? You you reserve a deluxe room for 3 nights, December 15 to 18. May I confirm is this correct, ma'am? May I request to fill out this registration form, and also may I take a swipe of your credit card for
Butler service. May I come in? Good day, ma'am. I am your butler. I would like to remind you your check-out day. Would you like me to extend or check out on time? Okay, ma'am. May I come in? Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to the front desk for your processing? Front desk, good morning. This is Lord Anadito. I'm here from 201. May I process your payment price?
Here's your receipt. Thank you for staying as Miss Martinez. We hope to see you soon with your family and friends.
Good evening. I am the night auditor on duty here at PCIT Hotel. I'll now begin performing the night audit to make sure all transactions for the day are accurate and properly recorded.
First, check the room status report from the housekeeping department and compare it with the front office room track. This helps ensure that all rooms are correctly updated as occupied, vacant, or out of order. All room status are now verified and matched. Next, review and balance all the guest folios. This includes room charges, restaurant bills, minibar, and other guest transactions to make sure that all postings are complete and accurate before posting the guest account. All guest folios are now balanced.
Good morning, Mom. Welcome to PCIT Club. How may I assist you today?
This morning I just want to inquire about the service. I'm not yet a member.
Of course, Mom, I'm happy to assist you. Here at PCIT Club, we offer exclusive facilities such as our fitness center, swimming pool, spa, and lounge area. May I know what type of service you may be interested in, Mom?
I am interested in using the fitness center.
That's great, Mom. We actually have membership program that give you access to our facilities and exclusive discounts. We offer 4 memberships. Bronze, this is bronze card, Mom. For occasional guests, they include the basic access to fitness area. So this is the silver. This is the silver, includes fitness full access plus 5% discount on spa service. And this is the gold, include the silver benefits plus 10% discount in all amenities. Then lastly is about the platinum card, our most premium membership with unlimited access, free monthly massage, and 50% discounts on all service. Would you like me to show you the registration form? You can sign up today.
Interesting. What do I need to register?
You'll need to fill out this form, Mom. Present one valid ID and choose your membership plan. Once you're registered, you'll receive your loyalty card, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, depending on your chosen type. Your card will allow you to earn points every visit, enjoy discount on food, beverage, and special guest events.
That's nice. I think I'll start with the silver membership.
Excellent choice, Mom. I'll prepare your registration form and process your silver card. You can start using our facilities right after registrations. Please let me know if you need access or filling of the form.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mom. We're happy to have you in the PCIT Club. Here's your silver card, Mom. Enjoy your day and have a great day.
Thank you so much. Oh, hi, welcome to Visit Hotel. How may I help you now?
Hi, I just arrived here and I have a reservation under the financial complex.
Okay, ma'am, just wait. Thank you, Miss Martinez. May I have your valid ID, please? Your reservation is confirmed. Before we proceed to check-in, may I offer you some assistance with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Bellboy, please assist Miss Martinez with her luggage to the front desk for the tonight.
Right away, ma'am.
Miss Santos, your room number is 111 on the 5th floor. And the elevator is right over here. Our bellboy will escort you and assist your luggage.
Miss, please. Mom, here's your room, Mom. Your room is ready. May I put your luggage inside your room? Welcome to your room, Mom. Here's your key card. Do you have any things that you need, Mom?
At Visit Hotel, we ensure every guest receives prompt and courteous service. from handling their luggage to providing assistance and information throughout their stay. That's how we deliver excellence concert and bill services.
Mabuhay! Welcome to PCIT Hotel Front Desk. How may I assist you, ma'am?
Good day, I'd like to check out, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your room number and name, please?
Yes, I am Charlie Adracon from room 201.
Thank you, Miss Agarcon. Please wait a moment while I check your account and prepare your bill. Alright, ma'am. Here's your bill for the 3-day stay suite in room, including room tax and additional charge. Your total amount is 5,175.
Okay, do you accept credit card?
Yes, ma'am. I will accept major credit card. Would you like me to settle your payment by card?
Yes.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you enter your PIN here? Thank you so much. Here's your card, ma'am, and official receipt.
Okay.
You're welcome, Miss Agarcon. May I ask how you stay with us at PCIT Hotel?
Great, and I enjoyed my stay.
We're glad to hear that, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us and hope to see you again. Have a safe trip.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you for choosing for PCIT Hotel. Mabuhay!